class 2 of HTML, CSS, PHP, and JavaScript. Today we're going to cover lists and tables. Now, just a warning, there might be a lot of tags again, but this is a self-paced course, so you can spend as much time as you need to try to understand these lists and tables. Though yes, this is a big task. Lists are easy though. Side note, remember to sign into the Google Classroom and do the assignments. It will help you throughout the course. It'll help you remember stuff, so you don't have to spend so much time memorizing stuff. And even if you forget, you can still search it up. Review. In the last class, we learned about the structure of a basic HTML file. Today, we're going to learn about lists and tables. This is like the structure of an HTML file. List and tables intro. An unordered list is a list which is dotted, like this one. You see a dotted list of elements. An ordered list is a list with numbers, like the numbered list in Google Docs. And a table is a table with a T-head, T-body, and T-edge, T-R tags. And TD tags. Structure for list and HTML pic. Lists are kind of easy to understand. So we have the same structure, the title, the head, and then the body. We have the second heading because we don't want a big heading. I don't want a big heading. So put h2. And then over here I put ul and all tags. What is that supposed to mean? Well, ul stands for unordered list, which is a dotted list, as you can see here. Item 1, item 2, and item 3. And li is list item, so item 1, item 2, and item 3. That's common between these two kind of lists. And yeah, it's kind of like magic. You just have to put ul. You can get dotted lists here with li's, and all with numbered lists, which is an ordered list. So you can see the difference here. Ul and all, and then there's li for like the list element. Just remember that. And again over here, the ul tags are used for creating an unordered list, which is basically a dotted list. The all tags are used for creating an ordered list, which is basically a numbered list like this one. And the li tags are used for adding a list item like what this is, li. Table structure. Now this one is a bit crazy. There was so much code that I wasn't even to put the whole thing. But yeah, here it is. I wasn't even to finish my HTML tag over there, but this is not the full file, obviously, because I'm missing some stuff. But here, title, list and tables. Okay, we have that. Body, h2 a table. Now this is not that much of output, but it looks kind of. But it takes a lot of time. Now we have a table tag. It creates a table. Oh yeah. And then there's a T head, which is like the table heading over here. You see over here. The TR is a table row, and TH is a table heading again, like not like the big heading, but like the rows heading, like a heading row. To create a heading row, you could have multiple heading rows. And you can see this is more bolded out. We don't have to bold it ourselves, but like in class 4 we will learn about all this bolding by ourselves. But anyway, these are TH, and this is a table row. TR is table row, and then we finish the T head, table head, and then we go to T body. This is the body of the table, and then two TRs because I decided that we need two people. And then instead of TH, there's TD or table data. Now again, this will be a lot to understand. We have TD. And yeah, we almost reached the end of the class already, but we'll have to review this slowly. So TH for the top and TD for the bottom. Table data. And these are just some random IDs. These are not even real. And some random people, American names, which I couldn't even know since I'm not really American. And yeah. Where did this come from? Oh, okay. This part, if anyone noticed this part, I have no idea where this came from. Maybe I forgot to remove it. Because it turns out I used this thing and just deleted the list, but I forgot to remove this, huh? But anyway, understanding each part. The table tag creates a table, okay? And you saw the table tag is just the whole table. The TED tags creates a table heading. The TR tags creates a table row. The TH tag creates a heading in the row. The T body tag creates the table's body, and the TD creates the table's data. Again, this message, I know this is a lot to take in, but you will understand it when you remember it. Even I didn't remember it. I had to search it up somewhere because it was a lot of tags. So you can always check back on that video. Homework. The homework for today's class is to try to remember the list tags and table tags and show me the structure of a list and table. Also explain what each tag does in a video and create a pizza menu inside a list. So list items either 1 person, 2 person, 3 person. Also do class 1's assignment if you have not. Now let me show you how it works. What I mean by okay, if you want to listen to this is actually one of my lectures.
My new course HTML, CSS, PHP, and Java.
This is the first video.
My new course HTML.
Basically, anyway, let's just stop with that. So I'm gonna open up my command, and I'm gonna open up my HTML. And now, what I mean by that, I mean, well, let me get the basic structure down. You'll hear a lot of weird noises, but now what you want to order the unordered list, select unordered. I'm gonna put and I'm gonna put a lead tag. I'll put a table tag. I'll just do the first one for you because you've seen this video anyway. Oh, sorry, I forgot one tag. Now we have a T body. Now we have a T row. Look at all these tags though. Now I'm just gonna do one. TD. Cheese. And then as a price example, it's $5.99. And they can do this. And then I'm gonna do, sorry for the vegetarians, but chicken $7.99. Yeah, like this. Now let's open up. Hopefully this works even, because I haven't even tried this. But maybe it'll work. No, actually, let me just let me do this for 2 person. Now I'm planning to put a deal. Anyway, so now 2 persons has been done. Menu. Hopefully this even works. 1 person, see, 1 person, it's like this, and then it's like this kind of type, okay? And then there's on to 3 person, but I haven't put that since there's a lot of code required. So yeah, this is a big project. If you only do this one, I think I should give you, even though the rubric might say something else, if you do that, I'll be surprised, okay? So that's the end for this class. See you later. See you in class 3. And by the way, in class 3, we're going to learn about multimedia. There's going to be a lot of tags. Like, not like the table, like, not a lot of tags, but, like, it's going to be some tags which you might have to memorize since they're quite useful. But they're also quite fun to work with. And tomorrow, I suggest you get into VS Code because, like, it's more easier to work with images, videos, and stuff. See you later.